I'm here to talk to you about stage kits. Stage 1 is a slip-on muffler and an airbox. You can do a little stage 1 download, get by with that with no problems. Stage 2, you're going up to a cam. We actually have a special this month for, I think it's the torque cam, but on the newer ones like the 24, they only have a horsepower cam, so you have to call the dealer and we'll try to work with you on that. Now, the benefits of the stage 2 is you get a little bit more torque. You get around about on the stock motors like the 114s and the 107s. You'll get about 10 to 15 foot-pounds of torque more. If you're lucky, you get more, but most of the time it's just in that average. Now, let's go on up to the stage 3. The stage 3, you're getting bigger cylinders, heavier valve springs, and you're getting a bigger lift cam, which creates more torque. Now that's a good build if you're just wanting something to get you out of the hole a little bit harder and you still want reliability and all that stuff. It's still a pretty basic motor. So that's actually a good kit. Now the stage 4, you got the 128 for the 107s. You also have the 131 for the 114s and 117s. And we also have the 135, which is actually a crate motor. You'll have to put that motor in your bike, and that actually gives you pretty good numbers. We had one that all stock, like Harley's download and everything, was producing almost 140 horsepower and 140 foot-pounds of torque. Now we can do aftermarket, but this is just for the Harley stuff for right now. And if you do want to beef your motor up and kill your warranty, we can do that as well. So I suggest getting the big boy motor. That way you pay once and you're done. You have a great day, everybody.